Hello everyone. Today we going to learn this activity using of this instruction. So we do follow this instruction and do formatting and do total of the following details. So first of all, first detail is that merge and center the cell of row and 2 and fee color. Row 1, this is your title of this list and second list. Okay. So I following merge this first and second. So how to do it? First of all, I select one row and you can see here in home tab alignment group you can see this option merge and center. So you can apply merge and centers and second row again click this cell and select following them and apply merge and center. So for this we apply first instruction. Now what is the second? Find out the total by using formula cy c5 into d5 in cell e5. This is my cell number E5. You can see here the cell name in the name box. Okay. Now we going to total of these two quantity and rate. Okay. So I apply equal C5 into D5. We use this star sign or asterisk sign shift 8. Okay. And D5. Okay. Quantity and rate. And we get this total. Copy the formula to the rest of the cell. So we already used the filter option. So using fill autofill we can get all the formulas from the rest quantity and rate. Okay. Now fourth number, change the font to Tahoma. So we select all these list details and change the font using this font group and apply here Tahoma. If you not get Tahoma, just press T. Otherwise go down in alphabetical order. You can see so many fonts are there, but we have to change the Tahoma. So now we get the Tahoma. Okay, here these are the font Tahoma. So this way we change the font. Now for fifth instruction is that change the first line in the title size of 40 and make it bold and underline. So our first line is this. Okay. So we have to apply it 14 size. Okay. So using of this size to font size tool you can also apply, and using this increase font size you can also apply the font size. Okay. And we have to make it bold and underline. Okay. So get it bold and underline. Change the second line in the title size 12 and shade row 3 blue. Row 3 will blue. Okay. So this one will be your second line. Title size will be 12. Okay. And this is the size, and shade row 3 blue. And the 3 row we have to shade it to blue. So select it and we apply here a blue color. Okay. Now seventh instruction, center and labels in 4 row, make the bold and center. So we have to select this all these labels and make it bold and center. Okay. You can see here your space is not completely, so you can adjust to column so you get the proper. Okay. Clear. Now select cell C10 and E10 and insert a bottom border. Okay. Where is the C10? This one the C10. Okay. C10 and E10 and insert a bottom border. Okay. So C10 to E10. Okay. And we have to apply to apply insert bottom border. So this one is the bottom border. Okay, this way we apply it. Then calculate the grand total and cell 11 and E11 by using auto sum feature. So we have to apply here the grand total. This is your auto sum. So we apply auto sum and we get this grand total. Just press enter key. After, place a thick black border around the table. Okay. So this one is our table. I select it, all the details, and I apply this all borders or thick box border, whatever you want to apply. Okay. Save the workbook as monthly cells. Now we're going to save your our document. Just click on this office button and save and apply the name monthly cells. Okay, and save your file according to your folder. Okay. So this way we do this activity. So please learn this activity. Thank you. Have a great day.